We're building our platform at www.excelverton.com.br, where over 6,700 ready-made Power BI dashboards are available. You can easily browse, find detailed reports, and download dashboards from GitHub repositories linked there. This video is just a quick invite for you to explore our site further. Dashboards are organized by topics, which we call data domains, to help you quickly find what you need. Also search by keywords. Just click on the dashboards and start exploring. This is the first step for anyone starting or planning to start in this field. It'll really help you out. Enough talk, I'll quickly show you how it works, alright? So here we are on www.excelverton.com.br. It's the same site linked to our YouTube channel. Here's a picture of me, my wife, and our little daughter, giving you a glimpse of me and the purpose behind this site. We have over 6,700 dashboards published here for you to explore directly. Just click on Access Free Catalog to begin. From there, you can search by clicking on the buttons at the top. These are categories we call data domains, or simply type a keyword, like farm. Look at how many results show up with that word. Some of these might be in English, but that's totally okay. It helps to have a wide variety. So, without wasting any time, let me show you. Here we go. I want to check out this report and see what insights we can find. What's next? Click any thumbnail and it'll start loading immediately. On screen, you'll see a preview of the report. Just wait a moment. I click the thumbnail and now small previews by users appear. You can see their profile pictures next to each report, so you get a sense if you like their style. Here's the report we want. Now click the Git link. Git is a repository where files and projects are shared. Here you also see the user who created this report. Bookmark the report here and download it to your computer because this is the user who made it available for us to explore. Go back to the site and now click on full screen. The report will load for you. Here's the report's name. Copy this name right here. Leave a comment on my social media, or better yet, on my YouTube channel. Just say, I like this report, can you do an analysis for me? I'll do an analysis with a specific video and tag the person, okay? Again, here's the Git link. Exactly, the data domain. This report is classified under Pharmaceuticals. Click full screen for the full experience, right? And here's the report for you to explore. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Hit the bell and start diving into the world of data. I've been in data for 10 years now, just so you know. That's it. God bless.